Guten Tag, was ist los, jeder? Ich heiße Kimmerman und herzlich willkommen auf meinem Kanal Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. Today I have here a model kit from China which came from the company in Era. I think this company has the similarity or related to SNAA or the Supernova. And this kit looks nice, and this is Trailblazer, which is a non-transforming kit, but it looks like a combination of different kind of Gundams, because Chinese company is avoiding being sued by Bandai, so they created modified Gundam designs. So this is not Gundam, but it has a silhouette of a Gundam model kit. So let's check this kit out, this Trailblazer Integrated Tactical Assault Squad. So before we start, I was very frustrated with this macros from Bandai due to the fact that the plastic part on the foot, which are the ABS type of plastic, is very fragile. That's why I will do some modification for that part. But for the meantime, let's build this Trailblazer here. So we have here the box, and there are three kinds of this suit or mecha model, but in this box you only get one model, but you can choose between the V fins, I think, because you can interchange their heads or their head parts to look just like one of these three mecha guys. So let's go to the side of the box. We can see this kind of mecha. To be honest, I don't like the design of this because I hate the shoulder design. It's too much big, but when it comes to the torso and to the legs, it's not proportioned with the shoulder. But I don't know why I bought this shit, because I was being hyped with this Prime 92 American YouTube Gundam reviewer that I watched this Trailblazer review from him, and I got hyped by his review. It's very convincing, but after I bought this, I felt some regret because I don't like the design. Anyway, I will just build this and see if this will convince me to put this shit in my arsenal of collection. Anyway, we can see here the front view, the back view, which is exaggerated. I hate Chinese models like this, too much exaggeration, because it's a shelf space enemy, something like that. It will consume so much shelf space. Anyway, so there is this action base included, and you can choose for, that's what I'm telling about a while ago, you can choose between the V-fin designs to replicate any one of these three model here. So in the back of the box, you can see some mechanical drawing of the Trailblazer here. So if we open the box here, we'll see the instruction manual, and there the cover of the manual looks just like the same as the back's art of the kit. And there's this parts list here, and what amazed me here in this instruction manual is there is already a segment for the parts which will make you feel easy to build this. So there are already segmented portion. Example, you want to build the machine guns, beam saber, the backpack. There are already a list for you to follow. And then same like the Supernova manual. Yep, you can see a black and white printout here, and there's this red parts or red guided parts there where you will place the peg, same like the Supernova, which is very nice. I appreciate this kind of manual because it will help the newbie builders to build it easy for themselves. So now let's go to the parts. We have here gray parts for the guns, dark blue parts for armor pieces. You're having here a vice tile, so we have white parts here for the armor pieces. We have clear parts here for the action base. And then we have gray parts here. We have red, not red but orange parts for the waist, and this one for the hands, the head. White parts, blue parts for armor designs, armor pieces, gray parts for the inner frames. So we have here tons of gray parts for the legs and inner frame parts. We have here white parts for the dagoons, for the wings, yellow parts for I think this one for the chest, and there for the eyes. And we have here clear green plastic for this one for the eyes also. If you want to choose between this yellow part there or between this green clear green part, you may do so. And we have the action base stand along with the hand part for this kit. And we have finally these dark blue parts for the guns, and oh, we have so much guns. I know this is for the backpack, I think, for the dragoons or dagoons, whatever. And we have here color correcting foil stickers, and this drive transfer decals. Okay, and we have a bonus pack here, a poster for the Trailblazer. So I have here the Trailblazer Integrated Tactical Squad. Okay, very nice. I can post this behind my cabinet. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. So we have here gray parts for the inner frames of, I think this one for the backpack inner frames. So we have here runner D and another runner D. So we have two sets of runner D. Then we have here dark blue parts for the backpack. So this is a runner N and another runner N. So we have two sets of runner Ns for the backpack parts. Then we have here white parts for the armor pieces. So we have two sets of runner G here. And we have yellow parts here, small yellow parts for the view fins and visors here for the eyes. And actually it's not the same, they have a different mold for the eyes. And then we have here clear parts for the eyes here. So two kinds of eye pieces here, for clear and the other yellow one, and this is for the camera lenses. Then we have here runner E for the dagon parts, white parts. Then we have orange runners for runner J for the waist, and I think this one for the knees part. And we have white parts here, runner F for the dorsum part of the hand and the side of the head, temple of the head. Then we have here runner M for the gun parts and the backpack parts or armor pieces. Gray parts for the guns and the holding hand parts. Then we have here runner A for gray parts, armor, inner frame pieces. Then we have blue parts for runner I here, 2 sets of runner I. And finally, we have gray parts here for inner frame parts. These are both runner C. And we have here clear parts for the action base. So this is made from SNAA, and the company who produces this Trailblazer is In-Era. So yep, I'm correct that this In-Era and SNAA are collaborating for this model. And we have here action base, white action base, and this is very nice. And there are hand parts here also if you want to do some interchangeable hand parts. And this is the partner for this set. And we have foil stickers, orange and green, and some neon green here, I think, or aqua green. And we have dry transfer decals. So thank you so much for watching my unboxing here of this Trailblazer. So this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying good night, God bless, and take care. Get well soon, Macros.